Welcome to Casa Grande RV Sales. The Hideout travel trailer is perfect for any camping trip. With its spacious rear kitchen and large pantry for meal prep and storage, the rear kitchen layout makes cooking and cleaning up a breeze, while the ample pantry space ensures you have everything you need at your fingertips. The sofa, hide-a bed and dining table provide comfortable seating options for relaxation or meals indoors. The dual entry doors make it easy to access both the rear kitchen and the front private bedroom. This model also features a single slide-out that expands the living area, a queen-size bed in the front bedroom, and a full bathroom with a porcelain toilet and glass shower door. The outdoor refrigerator and electric awning provide added convenience and comfort for outdoor gatherings. The Hideout travel trailer is priced at $26,995, making it an affordable option for those looking to enjoy camping adventures without breaking the bank. With no city sales tax, you'll save even more on this well-equipped RV. Visit our local, family-owned dealership to see our selection of RVs, motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, and toy haulers. We offer financing options and accept consignments, and trades veterans receive special recognition for their service, and we ensure a no-pressure, family-friendly shopping experience. Experience the freedom of RVing all over Arizona, from Parker to Yuma, Quartzsite to Shallow, and beyond. Our customer service is second to none, and we guarantee to beat competitor prices whether you're in Casa Grande, Phoenix, Tucson, or anywhere in between. We are your go-to RV dealership for quality vehicles and exceptional service. Thanks for watching.